This kimchi meat pie is my colleague Robert's idea. Today, I want to try this meat pie with kimchi, just like he did last time. Actually, it has a very interesting taste. I want to test it out with Chris.
Meat pie and kimchi.
Can you give me feedback?
The mint kimchi.
오지 kimchi pie.
Oh, it's good. It's nice. There is a bit of spice to it now, but it's nice. Better than I expected, actually. Pretty good.
I will try making an 오지 kimchi pie. Firstly, I will learn how to make a meat pie and then try to make the unique 오지 kimchi pie. This is nice. Jason, have you tried 오지 kimchi pie?
No.
Man, this is fantastic product for your division.
Looks yummy.